Hey guys, I'm Brianna.
And I'm Tia.
And welcome to Paradise. So guys, today so far, I accidentally deleted the clip from this morning, but we went to a toy lift at our mom's work for the day too, and we tried to do a prank on her, and I think I filmed, now insert the clip at some point, probably right after this scene, but we attempted a prank where it's like, honk if you see this prank, but no one did, and also the drive was like right around the corner. So now we're going to our mall, and we're hoping we get at least a honk. So we'll be filming in the car. Okay guys, we are in the mall. We're gonna be going around. So this is exciting. Hey guys, so we're in Bath and Body Works right now. There's so many good scents. Like, I love Christmas time in Bath and Body Works, but we're here to get something specific, and they're in line right now to get it. I shipped in my money for it, but it is just so cute. I just love this store with a passion. But we didn't film in Charming Charlie's, but that is the cutest store ever. Like, 10 out of 10 would recommend checking out their website or something. I'm sure that they have one. They have such good prices for cute things, like purses that I guess I've never had one, but like look-wise, comparable. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Champagne toast. Yum. But anyways, like I was saying, comparable to Kate Spade, if you ask me. But I'll talk to you guys later because yeah, we're about to check out. Okay, thanks. Okay guys, mission now. Here maybe. We're doing the prank.
Discovery.com
in front of us.
Limitations apply. In Vista, the company responsible for the fabric in your swimwear, socks, denim, and more, is hiring. In Vista's hiring.
That scared me. What do you think, Mom?
I don't care.
I think this technically I did. Probably. No, it's fine. I think they saw us videotaping. It's kind of awkward. This is a good song, Mom. Like, yeah, you like Beautiful Trauma. But, when you get the cake, you're gonna have to get eggs too, because I don't have any eggs. Okay. Okay. Mom green. Mom, let me tell you something. Come outside with us.
Why?
Come outside with us. Yes, just come outside. It didn't work as planned. We got two.
Did y'all put that on the car?
Yeah. I don't know.
Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Very good.
Even hot.
Hey, Art.
Ew, that is not that. No.
Hey, come on.
You're filming right now. You're filming right now. Hey everyone. This is my friend Tia. Caroline. Oh gosh. And this is so this is like the before space. Nothing's over here. I'll show you the after as well. This is probably going to be decorated, like have our stocking. And yeah, I'll show you where anything else goes when we're done. Hey guys, so we are finished. This is the tree. We might be getting a star. This is just what we have for now. We've had angel, star, all in the past. And this is our stockings. This is for Colby, our dog, and then it goes from youngest to oldest. Hello. I look crazy and I look like I don't have hair. We also have Bear and Bears in our room. I'm cut off the light.
He does a really good job, Dana.
But we have Tia's room, my room, my brother's room, and I'll show you a little bit of each. Tia's room has this. It was very creepy looking. But we have that. I'll show you mine. That's what's going on here. I'm not going to even try to show you my brother's room. His room is a mess. We have this tree that lights up. Currently, this is what's trying to happen with the snowman. It's not too much of a success. We have these type of lights in our house too, but this is hilarious. We're trying to lean the snowman up, but it's not quite working. We have a dad, a granddad, a brother, mom, all out trying to put up this one snowman. But say hi, vlog. Okay, they're not paying attention to me, but it's hilarious.